Hi, this is Peter Voti with Red the Steakhouse. Today we're going to show you how to make a great blue cheese topping for a ribeye. One of the great things you need with a topping for a blue cheese is a good quality blue cheese itself. Right here we have a Maytag blue, something you can find in most stores. Very high quality, well known. And with this we're going to add a little bit of cream cheese to that. I add a little bit of cream cheese to my blue cheese topping, a little less rich. It also adds a little less dimension. Blue cheese can be overpowering at some point. You don't want it to overpower your steak. So we're going to make this up. We've got our ribeye ready to go here. Put our cream cheese in. Put our blue cheese in. We're just going to whisk this together. Pretty simple. Let's ensure our blue cheese isn't too strong for our steak. Make sure you combine it nice and evenly. Your blue cheese. And don't be shy with it. It's all right, won't hurt you. Just a couple minutes in the broiler. Don't overpower it. You want to burn the cheese as well. It gets nice and brown up top. We're gonna be ready to go. There you go. There's our ribeye topped with our blue cheese sauce. Nice and browned up top. Great flavor. You can smell the blue cheese coming off of that. That's gonna be a great tasting steak. This is Peter Voti with Red the Steakhouse with our blue cheese topped ribeye.